How to find saved passwords on an iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to find saved passwords on an iPhone. First, navigate to the Settings app on your iPhone. Here, scroll down and find the Passwords option. If you can't find it, go to the Passwords app on your iPhone. You need your Face ID to continue. Now, tap on any of the passwords, such as passkey, Wi-Fi, and more. It will show you a password after the Face ID or verification. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.